Good morning! Today is another day off and finally, may lakad na naman kami outside Al Ain. This time, we're going to one of the 7 Emirates here in the United Arab Emirates, ang Sharjah. Malapit lang siya sa Dubai kaya perfect for a quick escape. Someone invited us for a spiritual renewal and honestly, sobrang kailangan din namin yon to reflect and recharge. Hindi lang travel but also inner peace. Sobrang linis, elegante at very relaxing din ang ambience ng hotel. Honestly, it felt like a perfect place to recharge, not just physically but mentally din. Sobrang excited kami, lalo na yung pamangkin ko. Imagine, bagong place, bagong experience. Kitang-kita talaga yung saya sa mga mata niya. Minsan, it's not about going far, but about experiencing something meaningful. Before mag-start ng service, nag-prepare muna kami ng mga gamit, Bible, tubig at essentials na kailangan namin. Inayos din namin yung sarili namin making sure we're presentable and ready for worship. Nag-usap-usap kami sandali, sharing small smiles and excitement for the service. Nag-start na ang service at unti-unting napuno ng music at worship ang buong place. There was singing, worship, and listening to the word. Sobrang calming and refreshing sa heart. Habang nakikinig, parang nawawala lahat ng pagod at bigat na dala natin. Yung mga worries kahit papaano napapalitan ng peace at hope. It was one of those moments na mapapasabi ka na kailangan ko pala talaga to. After the service, syempre hindi mawawala ang food trip. Kumain kami ng mga masasarap na pagkaing Pinoy, yung tipong parang nasa Pilipinas ka ulit. Food really connects people, lalo na pagkababayan ang kasama mo. Nag-enjoy kami sa food habang kumakain. Bawat subo talaga sulit at masarap. Mas lalo pang sumarap dahil sabay-sabay kaming nagkwentuhan at nagtawanan. Yung tipong hindi lang busog ang tiyan, kundi pati puso din. After a full and happy day, umuwi na rin kami, pagod pero fulfilled. And while pauwi kami, napaisip ako, ang UAE kahit maliit na bansa, sobrang daming pwedeng puntahan. Did you know that the United Arab Emirates has 7 Emirates? Let me share them with you. First, ang Abu Dhabi. Ito ang capital. Dito makikita ang mga government offices at iconic places like Grand Mosques. Tahimik, elegant at very cultural. Next is Dubai, the most famous one. Known for luxury, skyscrapers, shopping malls, and of course, the Burj Khalifa. Dito talaga makikita yung modern side ng UAE. Third, Sharjah, where we went today. Ito naman ang cultural capital. Mas traditional, mas family-oriented at maraming museums. Fourth, ang Ajman, the smallest emirate. Simple lang, peaceful, and less crowded. Fifth, Al Queen, perfect for nature lovers. May mangroves, beaches, and quiet vibes. Sixth is Ras Al Khaimah, known for mountains and adventure. Perfect for hiking, camping, and outdoor trips. And last, Fujairah, located on the east coast. Dito makikita ang beaches facing the Gulf of Oman. Perfect for diving and relaxation. Each emirate has its own unique charm. At yun yung isa sa mga bagay na talagang na-appreciate ko habang nandito sa UAE. Kahit nasa iisang bansa ka lang, iba-iba talaga yung experience na makukuha mo. May mga places na modern at lively, may tahimik at relaxing at meron ding very cultural at traditional. Parang every emirate has its own personality na pwede mong ma-explore depende sa mood mo. Kaya hindi ka talaga mauubusan ng pwedeng puntahan. So today wasn't just about going to Sharjah. It was more than that. It was about reconnecting with ourselves, with the people around us, and most especially with God. Sa dami ng responsibilities, stress at pagod sa araw-araw, minsan nakakalimutan nating mag-pause. Nakakalimutan nating makinig, hindi lang sa paligid kundi pati sa sarili natin. But moments like this remind us na okay lang huminto sandali. Okay lang magpahinga, hindi lang physically kundi emotionally and spiritually din. Yung tipong kahit saglit lang pero puno ng peace yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi at the end of the day, hindi mo man maalala lahat ng details ng trip, pero maaalala mo kung paano ka napasaya, kung paano napagaan ang loob mo at kung paano ka napalapit ulit sa kung ano talaga ang mahalaga. And for me, that's what makes every trip worth it. So hanggang dito na lang, bye!